If you want to use Dlib more easily in KIVY Python for Android, then this video may be for you. We will discuss what you can and cannot do to make Dlib work in Python for Android. Dlib is popularly used for computer vision and image processing tasks such as face recognition. Normally, Dlib needs to be compiled for Android, and that compilation process requires downloading the Android SDK and NDK libraries. This process is automated by KIVY Bulldozer as mentioned on this website. Bulldozer downloads Android SDK and NDK and sets up prerequisites according to a Python for Android recipe. One definition of a programming recipe according to this website: a designed recipe is a systematic way to write readable and correct high-level code no matter what programming language you're using. The O'Reilly Python Cookbook has recipes, which are algorithms for everyday use, written in Python language. KIVY does not yet have a recipe for compiling Dlib. Therefore, you will receive an error if you specify Dlib in the requirements section of the Bulldozer specifications file. To avoid this problem, I removed Dlib from the requirements section of the Bulldozer specs and added a precompiled dynamically linked shared object library, or a .so file for Dlib, to the android.add_libs section for ARM processor of the Bulldozer spec file as shown on your screen. However, this failed too with a Dlib import error in our Python program. Please comment and share the steps you took if you were able to make Dlib work using a similar approach. Fortunately, there is another way to make Dlib work on the Python for Android APK. Here is a snapshot of the Dlib import code that works successfully. Let's try to grab an image and check if Dlib detects this image as a photo or not. Dlib reports that a face was detected. Now let's grab an image of a random object that does not resemble a human face. In this case, Dlib correctly points out that a human face was not detected. Please subscribe to our channel and comment below if you would like another video on details of the working code for Dlib in Python for Android. If our channel receives sufficient number of subscriptions, I will feel encouraged